Yeah, friends. Sorry for the interruption. There was some technical glitch which was going on, and it was a sudden closure of my live show. So again, as I was mentioning to you that please don't deposit any money into that anonymous accounts. First, verify with the person who is trying to call you. It may be mine today, tomorrow it may be yours, or some of your friend may request. So please verify it. If at all you want to really help them, please verify it, then only do it. And now coming to the point, gratitude. What is gratitude? It's being thankful to the Almighty God. So whatever you have in this world, a good family, a house, water, what you're getting at your doorstep, electricity, whatever, you can thank for the oxygen you are getting, you can thank for the everything, the dress you are wearing, for the lifestyle you are maintaining, everything you can be thankful for the God. So this can be done by an exercise called gratitude. Today I am going to share you one secret which I learned from my mentor. It is called giver exercise. G stands for gratitude. Always be gratitude to your Almighty God, what who has given to you, and be thankful to Him. And second is G for gratitude. I stands for imagination. Start imagining. I said till now, as per the secret, you start imagining your world, what exactly you want in this life. Start imagining it. Assuming you want to have a big house, or you want to have a good bank balance, or you want to have a peaceful life, or you want to have a happier family, you can start imagining it. Once you start imagining it, then the next part is we stands for visualize it as if you are in that situation. Start visualizing as if you are in that situation. Then E stands for friends. Nowadays COVID is in a surge. People who are active, who are moving in the field, are not getting affected. People who are sitting at home, who are scared, watching videos and negative impact news, they are getting more affected. There is a recent study which is happening. The most affected area in India now is Mumbai area, the Maharashtra area. And earlier we were seeing that Dharavi was the one of the biggest slum where the people were supposed to get affected more. But really the statistics have opened the eyes of many people that people in the middle class and upper middle class people in Mumbai area are getting affected because of the COVID, rather the people living in Dharavi, because these people in the middle and upper middle class are now listening to a lot of negative news, negative impact on their mindset, and their immunity levels are getting down, and they are getting affected very fastly by this COVID. So dear friends, first of all, make yourself very positive, very strong from inside, and stop listening to the negative news. Rather, watch the positive things. How many people are getting out of this COVID? How many people are strong enough to fight with the COVID? Many of your friends might have come out. Talk to them, congratulate them, give them a welcome back, and you also feel positive rather than seeing the 1% people or who are getting affected and dying because of the COVID. Please don't think about them. So your mind also says whatever you give again and again, if you are giving positive on your mind will go positive. If you are giving negative things onto your mind starts reacting negatively. So negative thing will come to you. That's why people say मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, why it happens to me only. These are the things they start thinking negatively, and negative things impact them more and they get affected more. I am the happiest person, I have abundance, I am the loveliest person in this world. You start thinking like this, everything goes positive with you. And friends, last but not the least, in the giver formula, gratitude, imagination, visualize your things, then do exercise every day at least for half an hour to 45 minutes. Give warm up, lung exercises, inhaling exercises. Sitting at home, you can do many exercises, inhaling exercises, breathing exercises, walking, brisk walking, whatever you want. You want to play shuttle, you can do play shuttle, but half an hour to 45 minutes, please spend on your body. See, your body is the most important thing. If it is perfect, you can do anything. And finally, not but the last is reading. Always, I read from many people, and my mentor always says that, like, readers are leaders. Whoever will read, they can talk more, something more about it. If you are not reading, you will talk whatever there in your mind, but when you read, you can talk more, you can learn more. So always give half an hour of time or 1 hour at least in the beginning, then later on extend it to 2 hours in a day for reading, which will help you in growing your skills also. So this is the thing which will help you, and daily you please do this thing, and further how to maintain it and how to go further with exercises we'll discuss tomorrow. That's all for today, friends. Thank you very much being connected.